So this is the execution video of all the codes in the article. So these are all the codes in a single file. And I'm going to run it using Streamlit. It's in the D folder. Copy the address. And this is the website. Now, I'm going to use input data I've made before on linear regression. These are the input variables. I've kept defaults for all of them. For weight initialization, I've kept ones. I can even keep zeros or random. For learning rate, which ranges between 0 to 1, I've kept 0.009, and iterations, which range between 0 to 10,000, I've kept 100. Now, I can show the data in 3 different ways. First is the tabular form. Now we can see the initial weights are 1 as given, and they converge after 100 iterations to the right values, almost the right values of the weights given in the data. Now I can even use zeros as the initial weight. As you can see, and they converge to the right weights after 100 iterations. I can even use random. As you can see, random inputs, and after 100 iterations, they're almost converging to the right values. I can even increase the iterations and they will converge furthermore. Now, I can even use a different way to show the output in order to see how the learning rate and iterations show the output. Here, I'm using contour plot to show the weights of x3 and x4. As you can see, how the learning rate and iterations are causing the fluctuations in the output. I can even change the learning rate and see the difference in the fluctuations. As you can see here, the fluctuations have changed. I can even use line plot. As you can see, it is showing the values of all the weights and loss after 100 iterations. Loss is converging to 0 and weights are converging to the right weights for the data inputs. As you can see, the slopes have become parallel to each other, which means it has reached to a saturation point, which gives an intuition that it has come to the right values. Now, if the iterations are less, as say only 10, you can see that the values are not convergent and the slopes are not parallel. Thus, they need more iterations. The line plot helps you see that. So this is the end of the execution video. If you find better techniques, please comment down below. Have a good day ahead.